Hi there. I wanted you to know that on Tuesdays and Thursdays we're going to start doing math for distance learning. And there's a new folder in Schoology called Distance Learning, as you can see on the screen. And it will have in there week 1. After week 1, you will pull up Distance Learning and it will look like this. And you can open it and you can see that we are doing work together on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday is a review day. And you will open that one up and it will look like this. And it'll give you an order of things that you're going to do. And I appreciate it if you would get all the things in there done if you can. We're finishing up 8th grade, so we need to finish strong. And this is self-paced, so you can do it as you wish, as long as you get Tuesdays done on Tuesday for sure. And then Friday, I'm just going to be having Kahoots and Dreambox, or Gym Kit, Quizlet, quizzes. So just kind of gaming so that you can practice what we've been reviewing in a fun environment. Dreambox is a little bit like Prodigy. It's a game-based math program that is set up for you to work on if you want to. It's something easy to do, distance learning, and if you get everything done and you have some extra time and you want to spend some more time in math, that'd be a great thing to do. Your math will just be 60 minutes a day on Tuesday and Thursday, and then Friday, like I said, is a review or reteach. We're already reteaching, so I won't be really reteaching. I'll just be giving you the opportunity to practice more. I hope that you are doing some fun things. So I hope you're doing some fun things, getting outside, getting some fresh air, enjoying this time that you're spending with your family. I'm thinking about you guys. I have an office set up in my dining room, and it makes it easier to have a space. And I just look forward to us being together again in room 118. I will talk to you all later. Bye.